We have spent a lot of time discussing how you can create a business online with your photography. But, and this is a big but, you also need to take your marketing efforts offline. I spent most of our time discussing a website, the home for your photography portfolio, because this is essential both online and offline. Here is the but. Nothing beats old-fashioned marketing and one-on-one human contact. If you want to be successful as a photographer, you most definitely need to build professional relationships with clients. Well, who are the professionals you want to know? Magazine editors, photo buyers, art buyers, creative directors. These are all people who will work in a magazine or a book publisher. You also need to become familiar with advertising agencies or tourist bureaus. You must first know in what field you want to work, like travel, fashion, sports, food, you name it. Once you know, simply do a Google search to find the names and contact details of these people. Make a list, and a long list if you can. Once you have a comprehensive list, then you can begin contacting your dream clients, the ones with whom you want to work. In the next lesson, I'll share with you how you can contact potential clients.